Hey guys, welcome to Recreate. Recreate is your complete creative suite for all your e commerce needs. It's completely online and you get to do everything from creating your product videos, banners for your stores and social media, to automating all of these tasks. In this tutorial, let's talk about product images and how you can convert them from looking like this to this in 3 minutes. Let's get started. I highly recommend you create a folder and work in it so you can keep everything organized. Now, just click on the background remover here. On the left side, you see uploads. Just take your product images and drag and drop them here. Now, drag and drop them onto this area and let our AI do the magic. You have an image with its background removed in less than 5 seconds. If you feel like you want to add or remove some parts of the background, you can always come here and edit it. Once you're happy with what you have, just click on save. Now you have all your images with background removed. Let's get into the main page. Click on graphic banners and select the blank template with the aspect ratio of your choice. Creating a professional looking image is just a combination of 1. Shadows, 2. A reflection, 3. Backgrounds. Let's see how these three can dramatically change how your images look and feel like. You will see that your background removed images are already present here. First, let's see shadows. Drag and drop the image from the left panel onto the right and just resize and rotate the image. You can add a shadow by clicking on this button and voila. If you want a shadow at the bottom, go to the Design tab, add a circle, make the fill black, and then just add a shadow and increase the blur. Drag it under the image and push the layer back. That's it, you have shadows. Adding a reflection is super simple. Just copy paste the element, turn it by 180 degrees, go to the Design tab and reduce the opacity. That's it. Let's try a background for this image. Click on the Design tab, click on Elements, click on the rectangle and just add a rectangle. Add a color to it, drop a shadow, and that's it. You have a professional looking image in less than 2 minutes. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can automate this and create hundreds of these images with a few clicks. That's it for today, guys.